Welcome back to Elevating Brick Mortar. I'm your host, Sid Shetty, Chief Customer and Business Officer at ServiceChannel. Over the past 4 seasons, we've uncovered how the built environment shapes customer experiences through smarter operations, innovative design, and evolving tech. This season, we're exploring the new dynamics redefining retail and beyond. You'll hear from groundbreaking technology leaders like XOI, who are empowering techs in the field, supply chain innovators like Krispy Krunchy Chicken, who are bringing new life to the store-in-store model, and even brands like Now Optics, looking to transform the prescription eyewear experience. Together, we'll dive into how today's consumer expectations are shifting and the impact of AI, robotics, and digital experiences on how brands connect with their customers. Join me for Season 5 of Elevating Brick Mortar. It's going to be fun, thought-provoking, and designed to answer the very questions you're asking about the future of retail and the built environment. You can find us wherever you get your podcasts, including full video episodes on YouTube.